Healing Our Village presents
COVID Conversations.
Where does she get her information from? Do you watch TV with her? Or
all of these things that we
Learn
find
about
in
staying
African Americans increase your susceptibility to getting the virus, especially this more contagious
Determine
Delta
the facts.
Right now, in hospitals throughout the country, but most certainly in
Hear
the
from
South.
the community.
What happens if it's positive? So,
You do not want to take the risk.
You need to ask those questions.
what made you come?
Because I want to get vaccinated so me and my family won't have COVID.
Hi, this is Dr. Lenore Coleman from Healing Our Village, and we are coming here today as part of our nonprofit Total Lifestyle Change to do COVID testing, COVID conversations. We're also doing blood pressure because everywhere I go, I make sure that people get their blood pressure checked. And so as you know, on our website, tlc-global.org, we have COVID conversations. And so whenever I do one of these events, I always find somebody that is here that either believes in vaccines or doesn't believe in vaccines, believes in testing or doesn't believe in testing. And so today we are here with Via, and she actually believes in testing, right?
Absolutely, Dr. Coleman. The first thing is I believe in testing. I've always believed that we should do what we need to do to make sure that we're safe. My mother died from COVID last year, and she actually had underlying conditions. She was a diabetic, the worst case of a diabetic anybody had ever met. And when I was talking to the doctor, when they said that she wouldn't have long, the doctor actually told me that COVID had just started destroying her internal organs. So I'm pleading with everybody out there, please, please, please get your COVID testing. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't take long. Get the vaccination. Please, I'm pleading with everybody.
So how old was your mother when she died?
My mother was 76.
Okay, so she still had another 15, 20 years she could have been here, okay? I'm trying to get to Methuselah. Y'all know how old that person was in the Bible? Okay, well, that's where Coleman's trying to get to, all right? I definitely want to get to my 10, which is 70. She at least got to 70, but still, she died too young, right?
Yes.
So now, tell me, first of all, introduce yourself. I want them to know exactly sort of who you are and what you do.
Okay, my name is Via Cameron. I am a rep for True Connect. And what we do is we go out into the communities, the low poverty areas, and we distribute tablets. The tablets came about during the stimulus package. When COVID hit, they realized that a lot of the families didn't have internet service, they didn't have tablets, computers, none of that. So President Biden, wrote into the stimulus package for the stimulus tablets. So we go out and we distribute these tablets at a low cost, which is $20, which is very affordable. And we enjoy going out to the community, helping our communities.
Exactly. All right, now tell me about people in your family, what you heard from them, why they don't want to get vaccinated or don't want to get tested. Tell me what you've heard.
My son feels like it's a government issue. What that issue is, I couldn't tell you.
Okay.
But I told him if he wanted to travel, he would definitely have to have his vaccination because at the time you couldn't go anywhere without having it, being able to show your vaccination card. I have family members that everybody is saying most of the people are saying because, it hit our home very hard that we've all decided we would get the vaccination.
Yeah, exactly. So you had said something about what the doctor told you about your mom. So you all have to understand that this virus is actually destroying the organs in your body. It's destroying your heart muscle. It's destroying your pancreas. It's destroying your kidneys. It's destroying your blood vessels. All right, so you have to understand that you don't want to catch it if you've never caught it. And even if you have gotten it before, you don't want to catch it again. because the virus keeps mutating. It keeps changing. And so you don't know if, this new one that's going to come out, there's one now, right, it's called the B2. You don't know how that differs from the Delta, which was the first one, and the Omicron, which was the second one. A lot of you are walking around asymptomatic. You have no idea if you have COVID or not, and you're not testing. You need to know that you're negative. So therefore, you know that you have a clean bill of health. The test only takes a few minutes. Some of you can either come to the various testing centers. Healing Our Village and TLC has a testing center in Jonesboro at 177 North Main Street, or there's testing all over the place. We're going to actually be at the Divine Faith Ministries International next Saturday. Come on out. We'll be doing testing. We'll be doing vaccinations. So we're here committed to helping the community, because I don't want you to develop diabetes. I don't want you to develop hypertension or develop kidney disease. So this is why we're trying to have you guys still. Listen, I'm tired of this COVID thing as well. But you know what? I'm out here right now outside. I don't have a mask on because I've been vaccinated. I've been boosted. All right. And I know that this woman next to me has been vaccinated. All right. So I'm able to be outside and have a conversation with this beautiful woman without a mask on. So come on, folks. This is summertime. It's time to enjoy being around folks. Make sure everybody that you're around has been vaccinated, or if they're not going to get vaccinated, at least make them get tested, so you don't have to be in a mask and you can enjoy your, listening to your jazz or whatever, picnics or whatever y'all going to be doing. So listen, I want to thank you for working with us today for your health. Yeah, COVID conversation.
Thank you. And Dr. Coleman, because I am around a lot of people, I make sure that I get tested once a week. Once a week, people, because I don't want to be the cause of anybody's death.
No, exactly. So it's not just, I tell people, say, I got tested 3 weeks ago. Well, that's nice. All right. We need to know what you are today. Today, if you're going to be around me, I just need to know what's going on today. All right. It's like, what have you done for me lately? That's what we're talking about. All right. So, okay. So listen, thanks for tuning in. COVID Conversation. We're out here at the Oxford Apartments in Morrow, and we will be all over Clayton County. So go to our Facebook. You'll be able to see where we're posting up. Again, it's Healing Our Village, Total Lifestyle Change, located at 177 North Main Street. The number is 800-788-0941. That's 800-788-0941. The website is tlc-global.org. All right, thanks a lot. We'll see you next week.
TLC provides exit interviews with licensed healthcare providers to evaluate screening results and review medication therapy. We have opened the Wellness Connections Elder Care and Diabetes Management Center located in Jonesboro, Georgia. Our address is 177 North Main Street. At the Wellness Center, we provide diabetes classes, home health care services, nutritional workshops, and even cooking demonstrations. TLC needs your generous support to bring our outreach program to your community. Your generous support makes it possible for Total Lifestyle Change to provide our educational workshops, our health fairs, our cooking demonstrations, and our church-based program to underserved communities nationwide. To donate to TLC, go to tlc-global.org. Please consider making a tax-deductible donation today in any amount that you would like. For more information, contact Dr. Lenore Coleman, President and Founder of Total Lifestyle Change, at drcoleman@healingourvillage.com. Thank you so much.